Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fill a piñata with candies. A piñata is a container often made of paper or papier-mâché, pottery or cloth. It is decorated and filled with small toys or candy. In our case, we will fill it up by sweet, delicious candies. For this, cut there to fill. And if the toys or the candy are inside, then the birthday kid, for example, has to broken it. And it's broken as a part of a ceremony of celebration. Piñatas are commonly associated with Mexico. The idea of breaking a container filled with threads came to Europe in the 14th century, where the name from the Italian piñata was introduced. The Spanish brought the European tradition to Mexico, although there were similar traditions in Mesoamerica, such as Aztecs honoring the birthday of the god Huitzilopochtli in mid-December. According to local records, the Mexican piñata trading began in the town of Acolman, just north of Mexico City, where piñatas were introduced for catechism purpose as well to go up to the Huitzilopochtli ceremony. And as you can see, we filled this delicious piñata box with so many candies. Different candies, of course, because this is nice. Oh, there it is. Nice. Today, the piñata is still part of a Mexico culture, the cultures of the other countries in Latin America, as well as the United States, but it has mostly lost its religious character. In this case, it's only birthday gimmick. And as you can see, now we have to hook it up on the wall and then smash with a stick until the piñata is broke and exploded something with and the candies and toys are spreading out, and have a lot of fun with this awesome cool thing. Only push it and bend it, and then it gives all free. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.